Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make the best lemonade ever. So let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making some simple syrup. In a small saucepan over medium heat, add 1 3/4 cup of sugar. Then add 2 cups of water. Allow the sugar and water mixture to lightly simmer until all the sugar has dissolved. Then, take it off the heat. Set your simple syrup to the side so it can cool at room temperature. Now cut 8 to 9 lemons in half. Then, juice all of your lemons until you get 1 1/2 cups of lemon juice. You don't have to juice your lemons through a strainer, I just thought it would make things easier. It did not, so lesson learned. When you finish juicing your lemons, pour your lemon juice through a fine mesh strainer. Then set your lemon juice to the side. Pour your simple syrup into a large pitcher. There is no logical explanation for why I poured the simple syrup through a fine mesh strainer. It was just dumb. Plus, I was following like 2 different recipes and I was watching Doctor Who, so I wasn't paying attention. Then add 4 cups of cold water. After that, add your lemon juice. Then add some ice. This part's optional, but you can also add some lemons in the inside of your pitcher. Give everything a good stir, and you're all finished. This is just a bonus bit, but I decorated my cup by coating the rim of the glass in simple syrup, and then I placed it in some sugar. Then I coated the rim of the glass in the sugar. Then I poured in my lemonade, added my ice, a lemon on the side, and a mint. And that's it! That's how you make the best lemonade ever. This recipe is super easy and super simple. The lemonade was absolutely delicious. It was refreshing and sweet. I'll link the 2 recipes that I used as a reference to make this lemonade in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!